Hello, and welcome to the demonstration of Source Protocol's Source Swap. Source Swap is an automated market maker and interchain decentralized exchange focused on CW20 tokens and cross-chain transactions on the Cosmos Hub ecosystem. Source Swap is built directly on Source Protocol's very own Layer 1 blockchain called Source. Please note that Source Chain and Source Swap are currently in a testing phase, and all funds seen carry no monetary value. Assets, images, and APYs are subject to change prior to launch. Source is the native asset of Source Chain and is utilized to secure the network with validator staking and governance participation. Source is also provided as liquidity mining rewards on Source Swap. Before we can begin, we will need to connect our Kepler wallet to Source Swap. Kepler is a browser extension IBC-enabled wallet for the Cosmos ecosystem. Now, we can easily swap Source with other CW20 tokens, as well as native assets from other IBC-enabled chains. Due to Source Chain's ability to produce blocks and transactions at lightning rates, these swaps will typically only take a few seconds to complete. You may have assets on other Cosmos chains that you would like to utilize on Source Swap. This is where the power of the IBC ecosystem comes into play. Simply choose your chain and deposit the assets directly onto Source Swap. These assets are now available for use on the platform. If you want to send the assets back to their native chains, just hit withdraw. In addition to swapping assets, Source Swap offers incentivized liquidity pools. To get started, select the pool, choose the amount of liquidity you wish to provide, add liquidity, then we will bond our liquidity, and now we can simply sit back and earn our Source rewards. If you want to leave the pool, simply unbond your tokens, and then you can redeem your tokens at the end of the bonding period. The stats page provides an overview of all Source Swap pools and makes tracking liquidity of all assets on Source Swap easy and transparent. Staking. Staking Source with Source Chain validators helps secure the network and provides additional rewards for Source stakers. Staking Source also allows you to participate in Source governance. Simply delegate any amount of Source to any Source validator to begin earning rewards. Voting. Source Chain is powered by the Cosmos SDK and Tendermint BFT consensus. Government plays an important role in the future of Source. Governance proposals may be created for instances such as changing chain parameters like blocks produced per year, community pool spending, creating new IBC channels to new chains, and for upgrading the chain when new features of security upgrades become available. Anyone who delegates and stakes Source to a validator is able to vote and participate in the governance process. Source Protocol has several assets and a DeFi lending and borrowing platform built on the Binance Smart Chain. Source Protocol has partnered with Ringo to easily and securely swap Source assets and bring wrapped assets between Binance Smart Chain, Source Chain, and the rest of the Cosmos Hub. The Source One Market is a peer-to-peer lending and borrowing DeFi platform built on the Binance Smart Chain, comprised of 3 Source assets: SRCX, Source One, and the USX stablecoin. SRCX is an automated DeFi protocol that rewards all holders through all transaction echoes and provides continuous liquidity to the marketplace. Source One is the reward token and governance token for the marketplace, and USX is the Source Protocol stablecoin that is backed by real assets locked to the market. For a tutorial of the Source One market, please be sure to check out the Source Marketplace demonstration in this video series. We hope this brief demonstration has provided a better understanding of how SourceSwap, SourceChain, and the larger Source Protocol ecosystem works and how you can participate in the future of DeFi. Visit sourceprotocol.io for more information and all documentation, and be sure to follow official Source Protocol media feeds for updates. We look forward to seeing you on the mainnet.